Okay, so what we're going to do is jump right into this build. I just got a brand new chair. This one, it's been great. I've gotten Grandmaster in this chair, but it's about time that we get rid of the old and get started on the new, honestly. So what we've got here, it's Noblechairs Epic Series, and what we're going to do is jump right into the build. Low budget Sivir cosplay. Like, material. It's like a suede. Sexy. It's almost like a steering wheel. Perfect. A Sivir star. Just like toss it. Could do some last hitting with this. Look at that. Now can you see the suede? It's like very... I don't know. It's hard to explain. It's like you can see the finger trails. Dark, dark light, dark light, dark light. I don't know. I like it a lot. So we need to unscrew these. Ooh. Damn. Okay. That's so sick. It's like this beautiful... It's very beautiful. first sit. Black on black, clean, elegant, not too in your face. It tells me let the gameplay do the talking. That's what it says to me. Razor Cut in the chat. Thanks for stopping through. I just built this chair. I pulled it out of this box in parts and pieces. And the thing's completely together. It hasn't even been half an hour yet. We're in good shape. Now it's time to clean up. So we can get to some Overwatch. I'm feeling good right now. Brand new chair. Brand new chair. Brand new chair. We are... These are the very first... I'm glad you guys are here to experience the chair with me. But I think, honestly, it's about time we get into some Overwatch.